Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is this cool amazing product right here, and basically what this is comforter from this brand right here. So I believe the actual product itself is all compressed inside, but I'm actually open up and show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so when we first open up, you guys can see that is basically what it looks like inside. Let me actually take it out to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so you see the product is all nicely compressed inside right here. So once you guys open the product, it will actually fully expand. And the cool thing about this comforter is the fact that it's machine washable. So you can definitely throw the whole entire thing into your machine to wash it. But in terms of the material that they use on the actual product, they mentioned how they use this microfiber. But I'm actually bring this over to the bed and expand the product to show you guys what it actually looks like first. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here we have a queen size bed. Let me actually open this up and put it on top to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, you see the product is all nicely compressed and all wrapped up when you guys first get it. But let me actually open it up. Alright, so once you guys fully open up, this is basically what it looks like. So if you can see, the product is definitely pretty big. And when you guys feel the material on here, it feels really smooth. But you see this one's queen side and definitely has a pretty good coverage. Like this side almost goes down to the ground right here. And then this side as well, you can see it's almost to the ground. And if we go to the other side right here, you can see that this is basically what it looks like. But basically here's the overall view of the product, what it actually looks like once you guys open it up. It definitely feels pretty nice when you guys feel the material on here. But let me actually get on to show you guys what the product looks like. So basically once you guys hop on, this is basically what the product looks like. It definitely looks pretty awesome and definitely feels really nice as well. So obviously if it's the first time using the product, you want to roll this into the washer before you guys use it. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys set it all up. It definitely looks pretty nice and it feels really nice as well. Like the moment you actually hop on here, it definitely feels really nice. And it's big enough for you guys to actually share with another person on the side as well, since the one that we got here is a queen size. And also on the bottom of the comforter right here, you can see they do have the little logo here as well, so that way it's known from Bedsure. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product. You can definitely see it actually looks pretty awesome and actually works really well. Super easy to use. All you're gonna do is cut it open and you guys can see the product open up really well. So for this product, they have it in different sizes and different colors. So whether you need it for a twin size, queen size, king size, they have different size based on the bed that you guys have. And in terms of the color, they have a lot of different colors as well. The one that we got right here is a light gray color, but they have it like beige, black, I believe navy, and some other colors as well. But I definitely love the design and the feeling of the actual comforter. It actually feels really nice and very smooth. And I really like the fact of how it's machine washable, so you guys can just throw the whole entire thing into the machine to wash it. But now that we're unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually working or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are looking for a brand new comforter to use, whether it's one to use at home or somewhere else, you can definitely get one of these. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have just one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.